Today on CJ Off-Road, we're checking out this Rugged Ridge red aluminum fuel door cap. Now this is going to fit all 07 to 18 JK Wranglers and really give you a nice touch of accent on the back end of your Jeep. This one here is constructed out of an aluminum material and features a red powder coat. It's going to be resistant to fuel. That's really important when you're putting this near gas. You don't want anything to ruin that nice finish. We're going to throw it on our 2012, which is inside a fuel door here, but if you don't have that, this will be nice and exposed, give you a little accent piece on the back end of your Jeep. It simply screws on, so let's get it done and show you guys how it looks. First thing you're going to notice that we have the Mopar fuel door here. We're going to open that up, and there's our factory dingy 2012 cap. This thing looks like complete crap, and we've got to get that pulled off so we can throw this Rugged Ridge on. So what I'm going to do is twist it to the left like a standard gas cap, and there's a little push pin that holds this on. If you just give it a little pull, they come right out for you, so you don't really need to use a tool on that. This thing is going to be perfect in the trash can because that's where it needs to go. You can kind of see the difference right there between the two. Doesn't look that good, looks really good, so there's the difference. With that factory cap off, it's now time to install our Rugged Ridge. In order to do this, all you've got to do is thread it on the same way that you would a standard cap. So let's give it a nice thread on there. Click it over so the logo is flush. And there you have it, guys. Nice and clean, looks good, a lot better than that factory cap. The only thing that's a little bit different is you don't have that little tether, but this is a nice heavy piece, you're not going to forget it. All right guys, well that's a wrap. We've got this Rugged Ridge red aluminum fuel cap onto our 2012 JK. It looks really nice on there, and if you don't have a fuel cap surround like this, it's going to be exposed all the time and give you guys a really nice accent piece. This is also available in a few different colors to match the styling of your Jeep. If you want to buy this or many other great parts for your JK, be sure to check us out at cjponyparts.com.